All right, news break coming in right now. The SIT team likely to submit report on the Hathras incident to the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath tomorrow. The SIT team investigating the case has wounded up its investigation and in all likelihood will submit the report to the Chief Minister tomorrow. Shivendra Srivastava getting us more updates with that. Over to you, Shivendra.
See, Preeti, this was supposed to be submitted in a week because CM Yogi Adityanath had directed SIT team. He formed this team of 3 people, 3 officials, and asked them to submit the report of whole incident on from 14th of September till now. This team was supposed to submit this report tomorrow, and they will certainly submit this. In this report, basically they will focus on like what kind of incident this was reported to the police and how police leniency was involved in this and why this girl was cremated at night, and also role of different people in this whole incident. They will focus only on police's version and their role in this whole incident because this investigation is already being handed over to CBI and further investigation will be done by CBI. But SIT will certainly come with crucial evidence and certain documentary proof and other statement from police officials, from accused families, and also from like victim families. On the basis of that, they are likely to submit this report, and this report is almost prepared by these 3 officials. So this report is going to be very crucial in this matter because on the basis of that, CM Yogi Adityanath will take further action. 5 people have been already been suspended by UP government, including Deputy SP and SP and Constable and Head Constable Inspector as well. But why DM was not suspended, why SDM was not found involved in this whole incident, this report will also clear. That's what sources are suggesting. But one more thing, like initially this was also directed to this team to spread their investigation to role of other people and whole incident, and also what kind of conspiracy was hatched by different groups and political parties. But when this was decided that this investigation will be done by CBI further, SIT is now focused on this role of police officials and accused persons only, and on the basis of that, this report will be submitted, which is likely by tomorrow.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Shivendra. We'll continue to come back to you.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.